Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to customize customer statements in QuickBooks Enterprise. First thing I want you to do is just launch up QuickBooks Enterprise, come to the top, click on Customers, and then, I want you to click here on Create Statements, so click on this one, this option right here, and then this window will appear. Right, so you see the template right here. It's right now using the Intuit standard statement. You can customize this, right? So you click here on customize, and then this would open up. Can you go ahead and maximize this? So you can either go ahead, let me drag it till here. You can either create a new design, or you can customize the data layout on a form. Let's just come here, click on create a new design. And then it will open up the online forms customization. So from here on, you'll get different options that you can choose. So let's wait for this to actually load up. As you can see right here, you can choose the different backgrounds you can use. So let's say we'll use something simple. Let's do a blank one, right? Let's just do this one, for example. So this is a blank one. You can upload your own background as well. So you choose every single option. So first option, you choose the background. You can add a logo right here. Click on add the logo, browse to the file explorer, click on next. Now here you choose the colors, the fonts. So here we go, choose the overall font. So you like Arial, you can choose that. If you like Times New Roman, you can go with that as well. I'll go with Georgia. Let's do that for example. And now you can go ahead and choose what fonts you want to change for, let's say, company address, phone, fax, email, website, whatever the case is. And you can also come here, font and grid colors. You can choose your colors. Let's say you like darker gray, you can choose that as well, right? Then you click on next. You choose a grid style for yourself. Let's say you want grid with shading, or you want like this one, shading only without the grid. You can choose that as well. I prefer this one. We'll use that. Click on next, and then you just confirm, you apply. Of course, there are other backgrounds you can go ahead and choose. Again, you can just go back and make changes, right? Let's say change your mind, you like this one. You can easily go ahead and pick anything from here. You can pick these as well. These ones have different colors you can go for example. And then once you're happy with it, you come here, confirm and apply, click on next, and then you have your new template. You can go ahead and choose what to apply the designs to, select what you want to apply them to, and then just click on apply. Make that easy. And then you can go ahead and customize this further, change the layouts if you want as well. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.